Oh, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me, Vichy Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can sign up for Metamask. But before that, for those people who do not know Metamask, Metamask is a crypto wallet in which you guys can store your crypto. So what is a crypto wallet? So if you guys know a normal wallet where you guys can store your money, well, crypto wallet is a digital wallet where you guys can store your cryptocurrency in it. All right. So Metamask is one of that. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, you guys can download Metamask from your Play Store, App Store, or you can also download it on your desktop as well. All right. So I'm doing this on my Android phone, so I downloaded it from Play Store. Now, before moving forward, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment, and let's get right into the video. First step is you want to download Metamask. After you download, you open it. Now, once you're over here, you want to click on where it says create a new wallet because we don't have a wallet until now. After you do that, you need to enter a password for your, Metamask wallet. So I'm going to enter a password for my Metamask wallet over here. Then I'm going to enter it again over here, like this. After I do that, I can click on I understand that Metamask cannot be recovered from this password for me. Now, after you enter a password for your account, just click on create password. After you do that, it's going to take you to the next step. Now, once you're over here, basically what you want to do is it's going to give you a recovery phrase. Now, if you want to, know the recovery phrase right now, you can click on, start. But if you don't want to, remember the recovery phrase and you want to do the security thing later, then you can click on remind me later. So I'm going to do the security thing later. So I'm going to click on remind me later. After I do that, I can click on I understand. And I can click on skip. After I do that, it's gonna take me over here. My wallet is created. So that's basically how you guys can create yourself a MetaMask account. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. But as you guys can see at the bottom, it says protect your wallet, which means it's gonna give you like a 12-word recovery phrase, and you need to remember those phrases. Now, if you forget that phrase, then you can't recover your account. So you need to do that on your free time. So I'm not going to do that security thing over here because this video is on how you guys can sign up into it. But if you guys want me to do like the security thing as well, I'll make another video. But for that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe with notification on, and I will see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.